Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer the ultimate escape with industry-leading noise cancellation. These aren't just good. They virtually eliminate the world around you, letting you focus on your music, podcasts, or work like never before. If you're searching for the best noise-canceling headphones, this is it. And the music doesn't stop, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life on a single charge. Perfect for long flights or busy work weeks, these are the ideal wireless headphones for continuous listening. What makes them truly special is the seamless multi-point connection, letting you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. It's the convenience you never knew you needed until you experience it. From crystal clear calls to rich, immersive audio, the WH-1000XM5s deliver an unparalleled premium listening experience that truly stands out. Ready to upgrade your audio? Find the best deals and purchase your own pair via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone seeking the absolute best wireless headphones on the market in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an enthusiastic recommendation.